Hey ladies, I'm back, and as promised, I am doing my unboxing. So I will tell you, I got this box over a week ago and things have been crazy around here, but I held off opening this. All I did was cut the seal because I promised I was going to let you ladies know what was in my May unboxing. So here we go. Now, what I love about BoxyCharm, they always send you this cute little card that gives you all the information of what's in your box. So I'm going to set this to the side. All right, let's see what we have here first. So first we have these, what does this say here? Dead Sea Mineral Makeup Remover Wipes, which are always great. Great makeup remover wipes can save your life, because one of the things I hate is thinking I cleaned my face and the next morning and I have mascara or eyelash glue still on my face. So I hope that these work. We will see. As you can see, these are a full-size pack because they have 25 towelettes in them. So we'll definitely look forward to seeing if those work. Now, Elemis, I hope I pronounced that properly. I really like this company. I have a serum that I am currently using from them. I actually got them from BoxyCharm. This is their Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pad. So once again, it is a full-size product, so I'm looking forward to trying these, considering I have nothing on my face right now. I actually probably will use these once I'm done with this video. So we will set that to the side. Right here we have a lipstick pencil, and as you can see, it's in a really pretty mauve color, so I'm looking forward to seeing what that's going to look like on my face. The name of this pencil is Ecstasy, so you know I like it. Next we have Pretty Vulgar, and it says it is a eyeshadow primer. So I think that should be really great. Always having an eyeshadow primer underneath your eyeshadow is going to be great. It's going to make your eyes pop. So we are going to look forward to trying this one. And then, yay, I'm excited. We have Violet Voss Essentials Eyeshadow Palette. Now, I love a good eyeshadow palette because I love trying different eyeshadows. As you can see, I love this emerald color. This looks very pretty. I'm excited to try that. We have this pretty dusty rose, cream, sand. So it's got some really great colors in it. I look forward to trying that. So as you can see, ladies, all of these are full-size full-size products in my BoxyCharm kit. I look forward to trying them. Please feel free to comment on this post. Let me know what are some of your favorite subscription boxes. Once again, a subscription box is a great way for self-care. And as we say here at Mommy Needs a Moment, self-care is the best care. So I look forward to talking with you ladies, finding out what you all are doing for your self-care moments. Talk with you ladies soon.